Imagine kicking off your day not just by waking up, but by really waking up your whole self. Picture this. Your morning starts with a plate full of yummy stuff that's like a power-up button for your body and brain. Breakfast isn't just something to gobble down, it's your secret weapon for an awesome day ahead. Think about it. Eating breakfast is like putting gas in a car. It gets you going and keeps you running smooth all morning. Plus, it's like brain food, making you sharper and ready to tackle anything, from math problems to big meetings. But wait, there's more. Breakfast time can also be chill time, giving you a moment of peace before you dive into the busy day. And if you share it with others, it's like a mini party that can make you and your friends or family feel all warm and fuzzy inside. So, next time you think about skipping breakfast, remember, it's not just about the food. It's about charging up your body, waking up your brain, having a little peace, and even sharing laughs with others. Breakfast isn't just a meal. It's like the cool opening scene of your day's adventure. Make it count.